Wheels and tires are probably one of the best upgrades that you can do for honestly any type of car. Whether you're off-roading, driving on a track, sitting in a parking lot, wheels and tires are a really great upgrade. You can change so much about the way a car drives, how it looks. They're one of my favorite mods to do. So that is what we're going to be doing today. On my 8th gen Civic Si, I got some wheels and tires that I'm really excited to put on. So these are Konig Hypergram 17x8 with a 45 offset. This is a very conservative setup, but honestly, I didn't really want much more than that for this car because it's not a dedicated track build and I don't necessarily need the widest possible tires. So I figured 17x8 was probably a really good bet. For the tires, I have ExtremeContact Sport 02s. I actually ran the original model of this tire on my Miata for like 3 years. They were fantastic. They're not necessarily like the fastest thing in the world, especially on track, but on the street, they're great. The wet grip is awesome to the point that like a lot of endurance teams will actually use these in the wet because they're cheap and they handle really well in the wet. And I got the tires in a 225, 45, 17. Now, the 8th gen platform is kind of weird. You cannot fit a whole lot of tire on the car, to be honest. On stock fenders, people usually max out around like 245, maybe 255 if you're really pulling the fender out. And to run wheels that fit 245s, you have a pretty aggressive offset, and that requires a lot of fitment changes to get it to kind of fit up properly. And this car is, again, this is not a track car. I definitely want to go to the track and I want to be able to, like I said in my original buying this car, drive 3 hours, race, and then drive 3 hours back. But it's also my only car for the time being, and I want tires that are decent on the street. I don't want to be wearing through them so quickly like 200 tread-wear tires. I also don't want to die in the wet if I have to like brake hard or something. I'm really excited to put these on. I don't know how they're gonna look, to be honest. I haven't seen a lot of Konig Hypergrams on 8th gen, so it's gonna be kind of odd. I did get these in the bronze color, which looks pretty fantastic. It's nice and subtle, you know, it doesn't look gold or anything. I think it's exactly what this gray car kind of needs. So what I wanted to do real quick was weigh the difference in the wheels. Okay, so first off, weighing myself, crispy 153, okay. All right, so let's do stock first. Whew, this feels heavy. 199.5, okay. Okay, now let's do the Konigs. 192, okay. That was close. The Konigs are 7.5 pounds lighter than stock. Let's see the total weight. Do some quick maths.
2 + 2 is 4, -1, that's 3, quick maths.
So the stock wheels are 46.5 pounds. The Konigs are 39 pounds. So that's actually a pretty decent savings. I mean, 7 pounds per side, it's rotational mass. So that honestly is a really big difference. So I'm actually really excited. I think the car is going to feel way better than stock. This is gonna be awesome.
So tall, I could give a high five to the pilot. Yeah, family tight, I keep small circle like island. Whoa, inbox full of contracts, I signed with a stylist. Yeah, blue faces.
I love that it's actually sunny in Michigan to the point that I need sunglasses. It's very underrated. So, it's been a couple days that I have spent with the wheels. I think that they're great. Tires are amazing as per usual. They're exactly how I remember from my old Miata. Everything is just so nice as a daily driver. You still have a lot of grip. It's not like too harsh or anything. It doesn't feel like a stiff tire. And on the street, they really do grip unbelievably well. I mean, you don't need to heat them up like 200 tread wear tires. You can kind of just like get in and boom, you can take corners really fast. The wheels, I definitely like. The bronze is amazing, especially now in this like sunlight. It's awesome. There's a lot of flake that you can see when the sun pops out. That's really great to see. I will say the offset is pretty conservative. This is a 45 offset now. The reason why I went for a 45 offset wheel is because I didn't want to mess with rolling fenders or having to run spacers to clear struts. I just wanted to have a wheel that I can slap on and it fits and it works. And that's exactly what this is. This car is on stock suspension. I put them on and it has not rubbed a single time, and I don't expect it to. I think once I lower the car, I might put some spacers on to push it out just a little bit, maybe like 5 mil, maybe a little bit less. I am really happy with it. I think that this car looks just better. I don't know. I don't have words for it. It just looks better to me. Not only that, but the weight savings were insane. 7.5 pounds on each corner. That really adds up. Part of the reason is because it's rotational mass. That 7.5 pounds kind of compounds a bit, and the car feels quicker. And I'm not even kidding you. It feels genuinely quicker. So if you're looking for like an actual, if you've done like full bolt-ons and you're still on the stock wheels, I'm telling you, if you want to go a little bit quicker, get some lightweight wheels, good tires, and you'll feel it. I guarantee it. And with that, I know that this is kind of a short video, but I just wanted to get it out there. I was excited by this, so I hope you are too. If you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, follow me on Instagram for a bunch of pictures of this car. I post pictures of my car, pictures of the Elantra N. I'm really active on Instagram, so come on by. But that is it. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.